Odofo me makwaba edeba Adom TV. Dwumadi we eye Nkuranhyensem. Me ameti dwamu amedi ho chiame me ya osomfo Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego. Utimi fra me Nita Kotego tiawa kebe me de. Ho ye de me da ase. Ene so me koso ameka o neoma abetima ye na why the best person in the world. You see, the truth is that your version of yourself is unique. The version you have as you, you are not the same as the head of your family. You're not the same as your mom and your dad. You are different from your mother and your father. You are different from your friends. In fact, you are different from anyone in the world. So don't give on to the temptation of trying to compare yourself with others. Remember to define yourself by your own personal values. You are different. You are different and unique. We are shronko. We demufua. Jitumu se we no mama nse no papa nse. We no obi nse. We are different. Tize ujina enyoma different so to become different in this world. You were made to impact life. You're not made to just pass through life. Yeah, more say before you say 1 year, 2 years, 3rd birthday, 4th birthday, 20th birthday, Debbie. Now we do birthday, Debbie. Every year of your life, you need to do something that will impact on you and impact on life of others. It could be the life of your family. It could be the life of your spouse and your children. It could be the life of your community or your nation. But at least every year, find out what you've done that has impacted or influenced the life of others positively. That's why you were made. Adechi bia, adesen bia, nawotwe bia, busumi bia, afi bia, onyame bo se wa brabo, wakasa na wone ye, se ekenya obi eye die, se ya busua mu, se ya wade mu okuna na oyira na wo ho, se ya wo mma, se ya bro no ateso, se ya oman, eye bisa ho. Nyesa owa akwenya se wodi oman so keke, na emom se wo ye oman pani, se wo ye obi a wo som oman fo, se wo ye ohene. Say we are sereni, so a nurse, doctor, ni, churcheni, some poor journalist. Can you find out what one thing you can do that will impact the lives of others positively? So you kunu, so you are so we are just, so we are na, so we are branty, so babawa. What one thing can you do that will impact the life of others positively? That will let you be a different person amongst the Lord. That is why you were made. You were made to be different. You were made to influence life in a positive manner. So what in America? So who say no? Ube pa kandie. No apinyansa, no apekasa, no apenye ne ya bede na edi a bema obi kra. Ni su ene ban agadi na to yi. Bible no kire me say osefo ne de wo bae so obeden obewia no akum na wasai. Na me de me bae se me ma wonkwa ani awiye osefo na adwen ne ayi owuo seye ene kro no wonya osefo no wo ye onyame ensa no adwuma ento de wo ba se wonkwa. You need to impact people with life and comfort. You need to make sure say obi abrabo asiye yes obeche nipa ne sika ensemo abeka bibi abeka nipa no suba ho ene bi abede na die. Something that you can do or say to impact or influence life is why you were made. To be your best self is not to do the same thing over and over again. Every year has its own challenges. Every new day comes with its own threats and demands. Ask yourself, what am I required to do today better than yesterday to make my life better and the life of others better? A day na metimi ayo na me tie program bi na papa bi yesi efre no Kwame Ghana se hwan adwuma menim no wo se obefa Georg ɔse ɔfrɛ no akwasampa for factory ɔse kɔhwɛ aba for factory kyerɛ sɛ nsanom ɔno de adwuma yɛde hyɛ ne nsa sɛ wɔnyɛ nsama Ghana Giok distilleries ɔfɛ adwuma na adwuma no atete apansam no ne adwumayɛfoɔ no ka bɔ mu ɛmɛnɛ wagye adwuma no asiw a sese wɔne de nsa ɛkɔ ama no ne by the singular act of one man he has been able to transform Giok distilleries into a productive venture the subai na metie me ne gye papa no ho minim so politician a em se no ye KM for boss answer ye fa na se o ma adwuma no anko bi akọ se me minister na ye fra me honorable o se mo de mo mfa ensanom fo adwuma nhye mensa na menya nsa mankrofo papa yi atintim apenyansa suban ne ye ama Giok distilleries woni atintim eye adwuma pa emenne Ghana nsa be kwa manone oni papa akope suban sakra no mem na wo so be bia wo adwuma no suban ben wo fie kura atimo kura suban ode na die kura mfata wo yire ne wo kuru kura ne tie kura suban ode na die kampesa abontene ena ne agya no wonte hwe suban ode na die bro no ada so no hwe suban ode na die adwuma wo mu kura no suban ben na ada na die o man a wo sum no suban ben. Can you tell yourself boldly that from today I will make sure that my words and my life, my actions will impact others positively? Many ye me kasa me hwe se obi benya so mfaso. Many ye me kasa me hwe se ebe sombo ama obi so anya ne ho fa hodie. Ama obi so ani age ama obi so atumpon. Many ye me kasa ni me suban. Kwam ben so na mede na di a edem fa so bebremie na ma obi so ato no na me nkoyo obonsam a me nam a me sei me kum no bawia onyame hu mo bawate onyame hwe wo wate onyame nkura o no ma suban pa onyame nkura o no ma osusuye pa onyame nkura o no ma kasapa ene ne ye pa enkura o man mu me ka wo utie me no enya wo nko o membe bia ka kire se be se na da ekoi. You were made to be different. How can you make your life to impact on others positively in whatever position you find yourself? Oh, you're software. And before sorry no. A DNT na was sorry dan ya. Waji o matter sorry them more. So be twa wom. So be there wom. And now do on come kwaje mu. No hunu papa yo na emponya nkwaje. Atoji waran kasa. Ade bi a wo yo no. How are you impacting on others? Uko sorry. Uko mosque. Why are you worshiping God? It is for you to have a godly nature to impact on others. What do I say? So TV, so radio, so the way piano. It is meant to impact on others positively. Not what that's wrong. Mejidi say na de me no akasa. Ahana meja wo. Bejo majuma de na ekoso adesa. Na meja we na meja no say ask yourself just one question today. What can I make today to become different in my life, in the life of others? I didn't know to my next na ma brabo aso obi ani na de mfaso abre obi eneso so. Onyame nka ho. Onyame nhira ho. Onyame mo abaso. Wo mpega odwumadi a wodie mu na woni onyame entena. Ediam yeso eni ni tekodego. Mama ndam ya me nua Thomas, me namesake on the camera. Na me nko flow manager ho na me na MCA na me na osmosis ase or sound na me na Raindorf na Eja Welbeck and Pedro ase when na me producers me da mo nyina ase